And let me do this integral. It looks very complicated, right? But it is not. It's not a really difficult integral. But it is a very good question for practicing the basic techniques of integration. So this is a very good example for those students taking the basic calculus course. Now here let me use two methods. The first method is this. I expand the sine 2x as 2 sine x cosine x e to the negative sine x dx. So many trig functions there, but it has only one cosine x. Cosine x, this one and that one can be combined as the derivative of the sine. So this one can be written as, I don't want to jump, so 2 sine x 1 minus sine x square and e to the negative sine x cosine dx. Cosine x dx is the derivative of sine x. See? This becomes this. Therefore, here clearly that I can bring a new variable, which is a t, right? For sine x. So my integral becomes 2 1 minus t square and t times e to the negative t dt. Yeah. So sorry, this is e to the negative t. See, the integral is much better. It doesn't know trig functions. Then I can consider next step, next move. Here, consider this one, this. This is e to the negative t. This is considered as a 1 minus 1 t, right? This one is a 1 over 1 minus t square multiplied by the derivative of negative t, so it becomes a positive again. So now I can continue by parts. This is u, this is dv, right? U is this, u times v, right? So this is t e to the t 1 minus t minus v du. This is 2 here, integral v is this. Du is the derivative of this with respect to t, right? So it becomes e to the t minus e to the negative et. Yeah. Then this is equal to 2t e to the negative t 1 minus negative t and 2. This, if you take e to the negative t out, then the 1 minus t cancel out, equal to e to the negative t, right? Yeah, so this is easy. 2t e to the negative t 1 minus t minus this integral is a negative e to the t, right? So it becomes positive e to negative t. So this can be, let me write another line, then this is equal to 1 minus t 2t e to the t plus 2 times 1 minus t plus c, right? Yeah. Then this is just algebraic simplification. This is 1 minus t, and this cancel with that. It's 2 plus c. Yeah. Then we put a t back, so this result is equal to 1 minus sine x plus c. Okay. Forget a negative. There's an e to the negative sign. Alright, so this is the result. I think it's clear. Okay, this is the first method. Now the second method, with a nice pen. The second method is this. All the pens that ran out the pen ink. This is sine 2x e to the negative sine x 1 minus sine x square, and then dx. Now, the second method is that when I see this, I try this, right? Try d 1 minus sine x. This will be equal to 1 minus square, right? Negative times this derivative, which is the negative cosine x dx. So this is equal to cosine x dx 1 minus sine x square. So this is equal to this. In order to have this, I need that, right? Now look at my given integral. I do have a 1 minus sine x square. I don't have a cosine, but I can borrow cosine from sine 2x. So this becomes integral 2 sine x e to the minus sine x and the cosine x dx 1 minus sine x square, right? Yeah. Now, so this will be enough for me to have this. See? So this becomes 2 integral sine x e to the negative sine x d 1 over 1 minus sine x. Okay? Because this is equal to that. See? Now I can do by parts. This is u. This is my dv. So this is equal to uv to 1 minus sine x e to the minus sine x minus v du to 1 integral v is this du is this, the derivative with respect to x. So this is a cosine e to the negative sine x minus plus this one, sine x times this derivative, right, is yes, it's plus sine x e to the negative x times cosine x and the dx. I hope everything's clear. Then this is equal to 2 sine x e to the negative sine x 1 minus sine x minus 2 integral 1 minus sine x. Now there's a common factor. There is a common factor cosine x e to the negative sine x, then left over 1, and this is minus 1 minus sine x and a dx. Yeah. Then this cancel with that. It's equal to 2 sine x e to the negative sine x 1 minus sine x minus 2 e to the minus sine x times cosine x. Cosine x can be written as a d sine x. So this integral is easy. So this becomes 2 sine x e to the negative sine x 1 minus this becomes plus 2 e to the negative sine x, right? Then you have a common denominator, 1 minus sine x 2 sine x e to the negative sine x plus 2 times this, right? 2 times this minus 2 sine x times e to the negative sine x plus c. And this time this one cancel with that. So my result is 1 minus sine x is 2 e to the negative sine x plus c. So that is the very answer to my integral. And this is the same result as in the first method. Well, I hope everything explains well. Thank you for your watching.